What is going on? You're watching another video of Art Bench Shop Films. My name is Torben, and in this video I want to talk all about this room, this desk that I have brand new. Kind of brand new for me, but it's second hand because I got it for 50 bucks, which is awesome, and it's big as, and I can use it for, I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but I can lay my big speakers on top of them. I had them for ages. I think since I was 16. I got them from a family. Someone didn't use them anymore, and so I could have them, and ever since then I'm using them. But they're not really high quality or anything. They're just, the sound is so different than what I hear through my headphones. I don't know what else I'm gonna be putting on here, but it's gonna be a good foundation for this studio that I'm thinking of. And because today is Sunday, I went out earlier to fly the drone again, and it was kind of getting dark when I got to the place. For the first flight it was alright, but when I took off my goggles, the FPV goggles, it was just so dark outside. I don't know, like because the camera is actually pretty bright when it's so dark. It's very cool to see that I can still fly a little bit when it's dark outside, but yeah. I had another couple of batteries, and then I had to go back home, but right now you can see those couple of flights, at least the parts of them. If you want to see whole flights, I think this is only going to be worth sharing if I do something cool, or if the whole run is cool. I don't know if I'm that good yet, so I'm just going to cut out pieces that I think are worth watching. Flying circles is not really that entertaining. We're back out on another Sunday flying the FPV drone. For the fourth time, I think this one is. It's about to get dark, so I'm gonna hurry a little bit, fly my 3 packs I think I have. And I was scouting a little bit before for other spots where I could fly, but this one seems a little better than the other paddock with the grass, because all that grass is really wet when it's so like cloudy like today, and cold. It's freaking cold. So I think this dirt paddock right behind me is gonna do the job better. So when I crash, the drone's not gonna get as wet. Just one battery and it's so dark already.
To
yeah, this is all to it. That's the whole thing I wanted to do for this video. Just give you an update on this studio and yeah, have different videos, you know, not only FPV and drone videos, even though that's what I'm into right now and that's what I film, because I can't really film much apart from driving to work and back. But really that's it for this video, and this is how I'm gonna end it. See ya. Bye.